From class 7th ICSE Maths, the first chapter is integers. So here is the list of topics. Let us discuss in this chapter one by one. First, let us observe what is the integers. Some introduction. And here is the multiplication of integers and properties of multiplication of integers. And again division of integers and what are the properties of division of integers. And next using DMAS, this is division, multiplication, addition, subtractions. Okay, how to simplify the terms using this rule we'll see here. And removal of brackets. So let us discuss about BODMAS rule. So this only a DMAS or bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtractions. So how to apply in the using the brackets to simplify the statements, we'll use this, right? First, what is integers and how to denote this? Okay, let us see here. Integers starting letter is capital I, right? So integers will denote with I. Okay, that we can use the capital letter I to denote the integers. So when we come to these integers, already we know about natural numbers and whole numbers. Natural numbers from 1 to infinity. Okay, natural numbers 1, 2, 3, so on till infinity, positive values. Next, whole numbers along with the natural numbers, 0 is included. So 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. These are the whole numbers. So when you come to the integers, all the whole numbers along with this, the negative numbers also. That means, so all the negatives, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. So this side is minus 4, minus 5 till negative infinity. Again 1, 2, 3, so on. Okay. That means whole numbers along with negative natural numbers. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 are the negative natural numbers. And whole numbers is combined integers, right? So negative of natural numbers are this side. So from here, this side is negative of natural numbers. And natural numbers from one positive natural numbers is this. And this is the 0. In between is 0. So just we can say that means positive integers and negative integers. We can call it as positive integers. So they are from 0 to this left side. So 0 is not included here, notice here. That we can denote with I plus. Okay, these are the positive integers. So here is these all positive side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Then nothing but natural numbers. And again negative integers. Okay, negative integers will denote with capital I minus. Right? So here is so on. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Okay, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 till negative infinity is negative integers, or they only we can called as or negative natural numbers. And here is the 0. This is a, so no need of confusing about 0. So this is simply an integer, that's it. It's neither negative nor positive. So 0 is, it's not positive or not negative. Only 0 is the integer. Only the positive and negative from 0 onwards. Right side is the positive. Apart from 0 and left side the values are negative integers. Okay, let us see the using this property. Next we'll continue this how to do multiplication of integers and properties of those.